beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, in today's video I'm going to be installing this wig here from Sensational. This is their unit What Lace KIYARI, which came out I think about a year ago if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong about that, but it isn't one of their newer units, but it is new to me, new to my channel, and if you're viewing, possibly new to you. So we're going to try this unit out together today, y'all. I do want to say thank you to SamsBeauty for sending over today's wig to try out. I have some interesting things to say about her. So first we're going to jump into the installation process. Then I'm going to come back to you guys with a little bit of facts about today's wig. So let's go ahead and get started. And before we do so, please subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit the notification bell as well so you'll be notified when I upload. Follow me on my socials. They're on my screen and in my description bar below. Now let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright y'all, so we got the unit installed here. You know what, first we'll start with the rating wise. She's cute once you get her, like, you know, put on and whatnot, but she had a little bit of issues, so I'm gonna have to start with this as a 7 out of 10. The main thing that pointed out to me the most was the amount of shedding. Y'all, the shedding was crazy. Tangling was also a little bit crazy. It tangled up some, and it was just, there's so much hair on my floor, okay? But I feel like it kind of stopped once I got it styled, but I'm not sure how it's gonna do over time. Once I straightened it out, it's super beautiful. It's so pretty straightened out. I clipped the ends a little bit to just make it look a little bit more less scraggly on the ends. Once you get it installed though, it's really cute, which is why I still give it the 7 out of 10. The lace is really nice as well. I did go in with some tint spray and tint that up a little bit, add some makeup to the parting space. We love the fact, of course, that it is versatile, you know, multiple ways to part it and wear it. But that shedding got me. I was like, god dang. But I just haven't had a synthetic wig shed on me like that in a minute. So that's what stood out to me the most. It took the heat really well. You know, I flattened it out some, got it to a real nice sleek type of look. It has edges, but I didn't want to do no baby hairs. I didn't want to do all that. I just wanted it to be simple, put on and go. And I did do my cross method with the adjustable straps in the back, which makes the unit fit a whole lot tighter because this one does not have an elastic band. But y'all, I am wearing this 1000% glueless over here. I didn't use any type of hold products at all, but this unit feels so secure on my head right now, which I really appreciate. But overall, I feel like that really touches on everything. I gave you guys a 360 view as well. This unit probably stops at like 18 inches long on me. The hair is like, it's actually pretty silky. I'm not even gonna say it has a little yucky to it. I don't think it does. It feels a lot more silky to me personally. It is bone straight, okay? You might be able to add a little curl to it, but I'm not sure if it will hold that well because this hair is straight up straight, okay? But yeah, that's all I got for you guys on today's hair review. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Check out the Sam's Beauty link in my description bar below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.